Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our channel. Genius Educational Complex is an educational organization founded by AsifBilal with the goals of creating a set of online tools that help educate students. This organization produces short lessons in the form of videos. The main objective of our organization is to produce short lesson in the form of videos so that students can learn here all their desired topic of their desired subject. So the subjects are including general science, biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, computer science, English, Urdu, Islamic studies and social studies. Biology will be studied specifically like zoology, botany, microbiology, developmental biology and wildlife ecology. As you know, this is our very first video of our channel, so this will become an introductory video. So here we go. Thank you to all the subscribers and the friends who are supporting us. If you people have some other better ideas, you can share with us by typing a comment in the comment section. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much.